Let's continue master Apache NiFi. Let's understand flow-based programming. Don't think flow-based programming means we are going to write a programming. Using this flow-based programming technique, we are going to create a data flows. We are going to create what? Data flows. What is data flow? Moving data or content from source to destination. We call it as data flow. So what is flow-based programming? We are going to design flows like this. This is my configure. See, here I am configuring properties. You can see this is my source location. Okay, and I am configuring target location. Let's say configure. In target, I am configuring this location. So this is a data flow, and I created a connection, and I configured source, I configured target. So these kind of data flow based programming we can implement using NiFi. So you can design flows, not code. In flow-based programming means you can design flows like these kind of flows. These kind of flows we can define, not code. Flow-based programming means it's not a code. We can define flow-based configurations to move data from source to destination. So source, yeah, yeah. My name is Sreenivas. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Yes, yes. We have here you can see here processor. While discussing processor, we are going to discuss what kind of processor we are going to use in destination. Here, put to write, put file. We are just moving file from source to destination. We use put file. Similar way, Snowflake, we have different processor. No, here NiFi we are using for moving the data from source to destination. And here you can dump any size of data without writing single line of code. Raw layer. We are moving to raw layer. Yeah. Usually, we have different sources, and we perform we perform data ingestion activity. This data ingestion activity purpose usually we use Python or Java or .NET or PySpark, PySpark or Blue or Databricks, etc. kind of tools. So here in all these tools, we use programming, right? I do not want to write a single line of code. I want to use flow-based programming. Flow-based, flow-based programming. Flow-based programming means you just drag source, you just drag target, you just configure source, you just configure target, you create a connection between source and target. And when you run this one, NiFi will taken care to move this data without doing these kind of programming implementation. So here target is raw layer, not a transformer layer. Once, yes, yes. So here, target may be anything, source may be anything. So here, target purpose, we have different processors. Source purpose, we have different processors. To connect to local file system, we have get file processor. FTP, we have different processor. To connect RDBMS, we have different processor. To write output, let's say S3 and Snowflake, etc. Depends upon your target, we have different processors. So main purpose of this NiFi is data ingestion purpose, moving data from source to target layer. In target, we load into raw layer. Once data is loaded into raw layer, then you can use any transformation tool. This transformation tool, you may use Glue, you may use Databricks, you may use DBT, you may use any technology to perform transformations of this raw layer. Our target is data ingestion activity, connecting source, loading into target location, raw layer, without writing code. Yes, yes, NiFi is specialized into data flow, not for transformation purpose. So here we are going to use flow-based programming. Flow-based programming means designing data flows, not code. So data moves continuously from specified location to target location. How flow-based workflow works in NiFi? How flow-based workflow works in NiFi? Let's say here I created flow, flow, flow. I'm saying X location, I have a file, and Y location, copy. Copy or move data from X location to Y location. I defined data flow. I defined this data flow. Then I am running this data flow. So X location, once file is loaded, it moves to Y location. Y location may be anything. X location may be anything. Once file is loaded, it will move. Once file is loaded, it will move. Once file is loaded, it will move. Until this data flow is running, if file is loaded into source location, it moves that file to target location. Yeah, depends upon size, we can configure. While defining data flows, we are going to see. There is a concept called metadata. There we are going to configure these input details. So we want to monitor data properly moved from source to destination, right? There is a metadata concept. There we are going to discuss clearly whether data, let's say I have 1 GB data, this data is moved properly or not. That analysis or monitoring or validation, we are going to see while we are going to work with data flow implementation. So in this flow-based workflow, source, destination, we create a route using this flow-based data programming. Transformation means we create a flow between source to destination. We are not going to write any transformation logics.